In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on your Twitter or X account. Adding two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, is one of the best ways to protect your account because it means that even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in without a second code from you. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to your X Home dashboard. Make sure you're already logged into the account you want to secure. Once you're on the main feed, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that left column, find and click on the option labeled More. This expands a longer menu with additional settings. From that expanded menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area for your account. On the left side of this page, look for the section called Security and Account Access and click on it. This is where X groups all the tools related to logging in and keeping your account safe. Under Security and Account Access, click on Security. Now you'll see options that control how you sign in and how your account is protected. Here, find and select two-factor authentication. On the two-factor authentication screen, you'll see different methods you can use, such as text message, an authenticator app, or a security key. Click the unchecked box next to the method you want to use. In this example, we'll continue with an authenticator app since that's generally more secure than text messages. At this point, X may ask you to type in your account password again. This is normal. It's just confirming that it's really you making this change. Enter your password, then click on Confirm. Next, you'll see a screen introducing the setup flow. Click on Get Started. X will now show you a QR code on the screen. Open your preferred authenticator app on your phone, choose the option to add a new account, and scan that QR code. The app will create a new entry for your X account and start generating one-time codes. Once you've scanned the QR code, go back to X and click Next. Your authenticator app should now show a 6-digit code for your X account. Type that code into the field on X, then click Confirm. If everything is correct, you'll see a success message. Finally, click on Done. Two-factor authentication is now turned on for your X account, and you're much better protected against unauthorized access.